Hello everyone. Good morning and happy beautiful Monday to all of you. Our day today is April 21, 2025. And today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Lord Jesus Christ for all the blessings that He has given me. And today I am 49 years old. Last night before I came home from my work, I bought these beautiful tulips flowers for myself already. So I am so happy that I have these flowers again. So thank you so much everyone for the birthday wishes that you sent to me, especially to my Facebook reels, to my families, friends, relatives, and followers, and also to my TikTok. Hi TikTok, good morning, and thank you so much also for the birthday wishes you sent to me, and also to my YouTube channels. Thank you very much for watching my blog since July 2023. So have a nice day everyone, and like I said, happy birthday to me today, and I am 49 years old. Bye bye, everyone, and may God bless us all. Bye bye. Hey, dog.